Hello, my name is Justin at Paveman Coatings, and you're ready to do your project. What do we do to get started, and what happens now? You're in luck. You can give us a call or email us, and you can talk to one of our friendly staff members, and we would be happy to answer any questions that you might have. So what does that look like? Well, we need to know what type of service you're looking for. Is it cleaning? Is it repair? Or do you want a coating? Where in the home do you want this? Is it your garage? Maybe it's your front steps. Or it could possibly be your basement. Do you know the size of your garage? Is it a big garage? Is it a little bit smaller? You know, where you can fit one car in it? How many people are going to be partying in your garage and on your floor? And how old is your concrete? And do you have any water problems? 'Cause I know in my garage we had water problems. And then you need any repairs. Does it have a wiggly crack in it? Or some pitting? You know, from all that salt? So you may be asking yourself, what next? Well, we can make it easy for you. All you need to do is take a quick video, maybe snap a couple of photos, and just send them to us. We'd be glad to take a look at everything and give you an idea of how we can help you. And then from there, we'll give you some budgetary pricing. We'll let you know how much it costs. And when you're ready to move forward, we can come out and take a better look. And then you can see our samples. They're really cool. Thanks. Have a great day.